Hey, I'm Will Miller here for Adorama TV, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of the features of the Sennheiser Evolution wireless digital lavalier set. Whether it's an auditorium, a classroom, or a boardroom, the Evolution Wireless provides an easy-to-use, feature-rich audio setup for speeches and presentations that performs well in each of those settings. The lavalier set includes all-metal transmitters and receivers that provide exceptional durability for even the toughest of operating conditions. Digital UHF transmission eliminates noise, interference, and static bursts, delivering crystal clear audio with no interruptions. The Evolution Wireless also preserves every detail with the transmitter's dynamic range of 134 decibels. The Evolution Wireless system is fully scalable with 56 MHz of bandwidth, allowing up to 90 channels and a full range of RF accessories. Automated setup creates reliable connections with minimal time and effort, and there's a simplified multi-channel setup for reliable wireless performance even in the most crowded RF environments. The lavalier set system has a reliable battery performance with 12 hours of operating time with a lithium-ion battery pack, or 8 hours with AA batteries, and up to 100 meters or 320 feet of transmission range. The Evolution Wireless digital system also features an equidistant tuning grid, previously only found in Sennheiser's flagship digital 6000 and 9000 wireless systems. This feature equally spaces frequencies alongside each other, replacing the need for RF coordination or wireless expertise of any kind. You can also remotely manage all system settings, setup, and operation of your Evolution Wireless digital system with the Smart Assist app for iOS and Android. To give you a sense of the audio quality, we're actually recording me today using this system. So I'm mic'd up with the ME2 mic, plugged into the transmitter, which is then sending the signal wirelessly to the rack receiver, which is then connected by XLR to the camera. Overall, the Evolution Wireless series raises the bar by providing the highest dynamic range of any wireless system currently on the market, using advanced features that simplify your setup and guarantee the most reliable connection. And you can maximize efficiency by taking full control with the Sennheiser Smart Assist app and automatically coordinate frequencies with ease. For more info on the Sennheiser Evolution Wireless Digital Lavalier set, click on the link below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Adorama TV for more videos like this one. See you next time.